Introducing Digital Receipts, a free tool that helps you declutter, organize, and effortlessly store all of your paper and email receipts in one place. Whether it's for tracking your expenses, making returns and exchanges, submitting warranties, or completing your taxes, Digital Receipts makes it easy. All from your Redstone Federal Credit Union mobile banking app. Here's how it works. Log into your Redstone Federal Credit Union mobile banking app and select Digital Receipts from the More menu. Start with capturing a receipt. Hover over the receipt and let the camera do all the work. Double-check to make sure your receipt capture is clear. These images meet IRS requirements and can back up tax and audit claims. To stay organized, select the expense type, making it easy to differentiate between personal and business expenses. Drop your receipt into a custom folder and add notes and tags to make finding your receipts easier in the future. The solution automatically categorizes your receipts and seamlessly extracts key purchase information such as merchant, date, total, taxes, and items. Check that it got everything right and save. From grocery orders to online clothing and electronics purchases, capturing email receipts is just as easy. Simply forward your e-receipts to a custom receipts email ID. All your online purchases will automatically appear in your receipts list with all the key information extracted for you. Having second thoughts about a purchase you made? Enjoy painless returns with easy-to-read barcodes. And get the ability to set reminders so you never miss a return period again. Access all of your receipts from the receipts list. If you're looking for a particular receipt, you can search by merchant, item name, or notes and tags to quickly find what you're looking for. Whether it's tax season or you're doing some detailed budgeting, simply export your receipts for further analysis. You can export your receipts into 3 formats: detailed expense reports, raw extracted receipt data, or the receipt images. You can also export a zip file of all 3 formats. Share your files via email, text, or other apps on your phone. Go paperless and get organized in a snap. Try Digital Receipts today.